We are going to kill Ella. She just had to check if she had a passport. It is 5:30 in the morning. We're en route to the airport to go to London.
Why do I look like the one that has travel sickness?
You don't. You look lovely. And I took doing the seat as per usual because I'm the baby. But yeah. I'm just a baby. I'm just a baby. Sasana. London boy. I'm literally going to sing that song the whole trip. I'm not even joking. Oh my god, so free. So free. Agus níl sé das. Agus tá sé anna lán. Clódaha, if you will.
So didn't Trish tell me on there so her friend come on?
An bola, déis no. Agus agus arm. But you know what?
Shut too.
You know what? Tá mar is that's character. St. James's Park, which is in Mullower, not Mullower but Mullower Sparlow, and then Quig, Blackfriars Bridge, which is also Mullower. And then we're gonna go wherever the Colleen want to go because this is not just my trip.
Oh, I know where I am now.
Yeah.
I do not. We got our meal deals. We're slaying. Wow! Here we are. Wait, can you see it? It's the Thames! And wait, that's London Eye. That's the Big Ben. That's not Blackfriars Bridge. But it's okay, we'll find it. It doesn't take much time. Do you want me to get a feature yet?
Yeah. The London Eye is literally, you can see it poking through these two buildings. And then Big Ben is somewhere we're into there, hidden.
This is definitely the longest video I've ever had. It's been a month.
Wow. Oh, fancy.
Oh, this is gonna be so crap.
Major slay.
We're all gonna obviously we're all gonna jump into the one bed and we're just gonna nearly fall asleep and we will all go down.
My toes bleeding, but look at this. Wow. Girls are above my head right now.
I can make my own.
Well, we upset. Well, it's dinner time, and then it's family time. Nom nom. I was literally about to say how inspirational. Guess not. Yeah. Wow. Oh, I almost spilled that everywhere. We're actually not right here. Like, are you kidding me? Oh my god. So we're pre-Carla Mamma Mia.
That was Duckreta. Like, oh my yeah, actually. The impression knocked. Anyway. Yeah, best time of my life. What else can I say? So many hot people, so many half naked people, hyperventilating. We're hyperventilating in the Queen's box.
Did you see the fucking lead guitarist as well? Like,
Oh yeah. Men who are good with their hands. this vlog can't actually see the light of day.
I say, you're my best friends. For those who dress together, stay together. Open your eyes. We present you. You're like zombies. Matching. Like the minions.
The minions,
Oh,
like the is it the Shining that the twins are in?
Yeah. You know you can watch this.
I can't. I just know. We're about to leave, and Ella works with us, not against us. And Ella just threw out.
You're a lovely face talk. It was really nice.
We thought that if we put our clothes in a different type of way, that it would make them lighter. It did not, but we're gonna pretend like it did. And we're gonna go and check out and get breakfast, and then go exploring again. Slushies. August. Oh, for Ella. Good throat, huh?
Inner dialogue in my head.
Near Vimer air on underground. Sin cad bhfuil gar. Vimer síon acha le cholín, obviously Vimer ag leir as well in a chéile. Agus thug si faoin near agus dúirt si wait á sib sé leir scuilga agus an sin bhí like cora a gin leihí.
You're like,
Yeah.
Conor Dormer.
Dúirt si bhí si as bailío clia in a rud ag cap. Drithid áha, so bhí sé do creta. Bhí convo all in a gin leihí. So inis tá mé go chuig Turbot.
August, I'm sure, oh yeah, I could just be basically Tasha Conva, ex-daughter, Frosher, the Chernobyl come up.
Yeah, it's really Astroracht, how cool.
Bigger goblin. We should cool blonde come up.
Oh yeah. August Vichy Tashdal like Lake Fane. Not Lake Fane. Yeah, Lake Fane. Yeah.
What?
Yes, I fear.
Did you show Hershey's pounds of fresh air? How come I can show flare? Going to sense fresh.
dated enough. Anyway, somebody Joel Quake, the Tower Bridge. No, Spider-Man Bridge. Yeah. Live, laugh, love. Ító.
I think I prefer the Castle Park though. Do it again, Steph. Take 2. Oh no, sorry, take 3.
Are we ready? Action. Okay, I was going to say it's the Spider-Man place.
Here's the characters. Who has a Carrie jersey? Is that you? Usually I would get where are they? Sides. Okay, so you start? Yeah, you start. Okay, we're quick now, Bills. Leah, not my fave. Won't lie. Anyways, Summit Air and Ashland Lish, obviously. Unless come here Australia. Or you stay me. Oh, this is your argument.
Okay, so hello. Update from
You're such a fucking bitch. Oh, I don't know how to get here.
So basically, we were trying to get our way out of the car park, and Rose, it wouldn't let us out because it was like, oh, it's 40 quid, and Rosie was like, no, not paying that. And so she rang your man on the thing, and basically she was trying to read out her code and everything, she's trying to figure it out, and she then realised that she had paid. Or, okay, she had booked from the 7th until the 8th.
Oh, she's a voicemail.
And we left
in London on the 8th.
We went to London on the 8th. Today is now the 10th, technically, because it's midnight, past midnight. And so we were starting giggling because obviously we just realised that. And then he let us in for free. He let us out for free.
He was like, is your mate laughing at you? And we were like,
Yeah.
We went, yeah,
Both of them. So yeah, that's we're on the way home now. Well, we're getting petrol. A little pit stop. Pit stop
He
of
was
petrol.
so nice though, he let us out.
He did. In fairness, 40 quid is a lot, like, so
Yeah,
that was nice.
I didn't pay 40 quid.
Just in case you were mistaken there. Did not. Okay.
Thank God. But he's had such a shit week though, because last week they were all booked out and like
Oh,
our
true.
grannies were renting the front of their house.
But
as a car
also-
park.
Hardly.
But also,
Fully.
girls, I said to Mum, I'm going to book the wrong days. She stood over me and let me book the wrong days.
Stop, that's too good.